This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and position chocks on each side of the rear wheel. Carefully prise away the wheel's centre trim. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Locate the jack head at the point in the lower sill flange indicated by the indentation in the metal sill. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand positioned under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the retaining bolts and remove the wheel. Disconnect the pad wear sensor wiring plug, then slide the connector from the bracket and carefully unclip the wiring. Unscrew the lower guide pin bolt, pivot the caliper upwards and secure it with a length of wire from the suspension strut. Remove the inner and outer brake pads from the caliper bracket. Prise the lower and upper shims from the bracket. Measure the thickness of the pad friction material. If any pad is worn to 1.5 mm thickness or less, all 4 front brake pads must be renewed. Clean the caliper and mounting bracket using aerosol cleaner and a soft brush. If new pads are being fitted, remove the shim and using a piston retraction tool, push the piston fully into the caliper body. As the piston is retracted, keep an eye on the fluid level in the reservoir. With the piston fully retracted, clip the shim into place. Refit the upper and lower, inner and outer shims to the caliper mounting bracket. Slide the outer brake pad into place on the caliper bracket, ensuring the friction material is against the disc face. Then slide the inner pad into place. Note that the inner pad on the passenger side has a wear sensor. Where applicable, peel away the covering from the backing plate. Pivot the caliper down into place, feeding the wear sensor wiring through the caliper window where applicable. Refit the lower guide pin bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Clip the wear sensor wiring into place and slide the connector onto the bracket. Reconnect the sensor wiring plug. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Repeat the procedure on the remaining front brake, then check the fluid level.